In verse 35 he says, Bali, listen. Rakshishye sarvato. Aham tvam. Aham tvam, I will protect Raksha, you, tvam, sarvato, in all different ways, in all respects. So in this verse he lists 3 different ways, or 3 different levels of protection. First he says, Dhanava Daitya Sangam. Lord Vamana said, I will protect you in the first way. I will protect you externally from associating with demoniac persons. Then he said, Asura Bhava. I will protect you internally from developing a demoniac mentality. Because externally, when you have bad association, asat sangha, as Lord Chaitanya said, asat sangha tyag e Vaishnavachara. This is the behavior, quality, or characteristic of a pure Vaishnava. He avoids association with materialistic non-devotees, abhaktas, and mayavadis, Sri Sangis. Because first there's the external physical association, hearing, from, speaking, seeing, moving with, eating with, talking, etc. And that will affect our bhav. That will affect us internally, our mentality, our sabhav, our aspirations and desires, our faith, our determination, our taste in bhakti may become diminished or diluted because of the bad association. And then our heart, due to bad association, our heart will be full of different anxieties, become doubtful about Krishna due to bad association, or doubtful about bhakti or devotees or the process of devotion. So these 3 things are addressed here. The external, the internal mental plane, and the heart plane.